This is building for the Transformers ride, which, no, actually it's right here, sorry about it. Now, I've already done it multiple times in Hollywood, so I'm not going to do it here, but here's a Transformer. Okay, this is the children's area. I'm not going to go there, but I will check out E.T. Adventure. Yeah! Completely vain self-portrait. Ride the adventure. Okay, this should be very exciting. Or at least I hope it should be. I can't wait! Ride the adventure. Yeah, so apparently after you get inside, you wait again, and it's so dark you can't see anything. So I'm gonna have to turn this off now. Oh, cool. What can I say about E.T.? It was really good. I liked it a lot. Nice and smooth, really fun to watch. I wouldn't wait hours for it, but if you have time, be sure to, I just reminded myself that I wasn't gonna walk with the front camera. Just be sure to give it a try. It's really good. E.T.'s Adventure. Let's check out the kiddie zone just because there's some time before the next show. So, this is from American Tail, a show I saw when I was really young, so I don't think there's any kid that's around that knows about it, but it has its own section here. Oh, there's Barney over there. Cool. Barney shop. Well, here's a quick look at nice 5-foot thing. You got Woody Woodpecker here. You got a Curious George. I remember reading those when I was a kid. Woody Woodpecker Kid Zone. That's the name of this area. Forget about Barney. Oh, Barney. Okay, what is this place? Some sort of fun house, I guess. It's for children, but I like to look around. Definitely if you had kids, I would bring them here. This looks really cool. But I don't know if kids still listen to Curious George anymore. And right now I'm waiting to watch the Animal Actors on Location show. I've seen it before in Hollywood, but it's a good show that I like to watch. So maybe I'll show you a couple of clips if I'm allowed. Here's the sign right there. It's right next to the E.T. ride, by the way. Hey, so I just finished watching Animal Actors. It's very good. I highly recommend it. Super, super. I am in the Simpsons village now, as you can see. I think the next thing we're gonna do is go to Diagon Alley. What's in there? Oh, yeah, it's another way to get into Diagon Alley. So here we are in Diagon Alley. Well, one part of it. Oh. If you go over there, you can see the dragon. Here's the dragon.
Oh, I think it's gonna blow.
You think it's gonna blow? I hope it blows. I'd love to have that on tape. This is called fizzy orange juice. Let's give it a try. Not bad. You get it over here at, what's that place called? This place. The Hopping Pot. Okay, so today will be my last ride on Gringotts. Love that ride.
What was that? The Weasley's wildfire whiz-bangs. Fireworks from my brothers Fred and George.
Bilvis, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Lord Dad. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new client.
So now we're gonna go to King's Cross so we could take the train to, geez, I forgot what that place is called. Hogsmeade. Yeah, Hogsmeade. Oh, geez. Oh, cool. It looks like the people are going in. Wow, that is awesome. Here's 10, 9. Larry, I want you to go through. Go through. Here's the Hogwarts train, and I'm really excited to get on it. Just, wow. So, today it's 45 degrees and I am going to the Volcano Water Park.
Insane.
Insane, yes, I know, it's completely insane. But I am determined to go to a water park, and we get to find out how it's like to go to a water park when it's really cold outside. Okay, so the bus to Volcano Bay drops you off here. You get to go to security. There's the new Aventura Hotel. Awesome. Okay, let's go up the. You want to take the walkway?
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay, let's take the walkway.
It's the horticultural.
Hey, it's a BBTWLT. I am at Volcano Bay, and just for record's sake, today is January 29th, 2019, and it is 50 degrees outside. Wow! Hey, so I just got my Tapu Tapu. Here it is, and let's go up here. Wow, now that looks really cool. Let me see if I could zoom in and get a better look for you guys. Oops. Whoa! Nice, nice, nice. Wow, there's even like a mock beach here. Of course, now I'm gonna have sand all over my feet, but that's okay. But let me actually touch the water to see if it's actually warm. And of course there's nobody here, which is always good. Oh, this is nice now. Here comes a moment of truth. Oh, it's actually warm. That's really nice. Wow, that's gonna be great. Okay, sorry about the sound. I don't have my headphones on, which means the sound won't be as good because I have officially changed in my gear, yeah! So, as you can see, it's not busy. There's not a lot of people. Here's some people over there. And this is the dream come true. So if I can handle the slides, I'm gonna have the best day ever. So I'm gonna go look for a slide and show it to you. Okay, so I just walked into the wave pool and it was really nice. And there's still not a lot of people here, but the park doesn't officially open in 10 minutes. So, until 10 minutes, sorry. So we'll check that out. Okay, the wave pool was a bit too much for me, but I'm going to check out the regular pool here. That should be fun. Let's try it out.
Got the cheese.
Okay, so here I've got the mac and cheese with shrimp, jerk, and this is a foot-long hot dog. And I'll try this out. Hey, I'm leaving Volcano Bay. I got dressed and changed and everything. I really had a good time. It was great. It's 56 degrees outside and the water was really hot, so it was really enjoyable. I didn't get to do the whale ride, so that's too bad for me. Maybe, look, I get more light this way. Yay! So anyways, I hope this is a useful video, and I say yes, it is worth it to go to Volcano Bay in the winter.